Good morning. In the last video, I showed you all about 3D shapes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all the pages of the packets for day 1 through 3. So let's get started. Taking a look at day 1 is pretty self-explanatory. What you're going to do is you're going to read the directions. You're going to color each shape a different color by looking at the directions. So looking at the first one, it says color the spheres red. So all you're going to do is you're going to identify the spheres and you're just going to color them red. Pretty simple, just finding all the spheres on your page and coloring them red. Just doing a quick color so you can see. And then for the other pages, you're just going to do color the cubes blue, color the prisms yellow, color the cones green, and color all the cylinders orange. So that's going to be day 1. For day 2, this is all about faces. The directions say, color the shape, find the number of the faces, then draw a flat face of each 3D shape. Now, if you remember, a face is a flat surface of each 3D shape. It's in the blue. Again, the face is a flat surface of each 3D shape. Now, something that may help you if you have it at home is if you actually have some of the 3D shapes at your house. For example, for the first one is a cube. So at my house, I have a cube. It's actually a tissue box. So I can use the cube to help me out to find the number of faces that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cube, which is my tissue box, and I'm going to count the number of faces that I have on it. So just taking a pencil or a pen, you can just count the number of faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 faces in a cube. So I'm going to write the number 6. Then I'm going to identify the flat face of this cube. So taking a look again at my tissue box, my cube, the shape that I see on this flat surface is actually a square. So in the box where it says face, I'm going to draw a square. And that's pretty much how you're going to do each shape. You're going to continue with the rectangular prism, also known as a prism. You're also going to do the cylinder on the next page. You're going to do the sphere, and you're going to do the cone. And that's going to be how day 2 is going to go. Day 3 is more kind of an experiment, kind of a fun experiment if you're at home and you have these shapes. You're going to cut and sort or draw, if you happen to not have scissors or glue, the 3D shapes under the columns. Can these 3D shapes roll or can they not roll? So at the bottom you have 4 shapes. You have a sphere, you have a cube, you have a prism, and you have a cone. You can use some of these materials and see, can they roll or can they not roll? For example, I used a cone. Have a little cone that I made. And I'm going to figure out, can my cone roll? So all I can do is just put it on a table and try to roll the cone. Does the cone roll? No, the cone does not roll. So I already placed it into the cannot roll section. Now you can do the same. If you have a sphere, try it out. Does your sphere roll? I'm not sure. If it does roll, put it in the can roll section. If it cannot roll, please put it in the cannot roll. Then you're going to repeat with the cube, the prism, and the cylinder. That's how you're going to do day 3. Please see the next video to figure out how to do pages 4 and 5. Okay? All right, see you in the next video.